It's a gas mask!
Do you like his hat?
That's a bloody good hat.
Marvellous morning, mugs, and welcome to the very first Capsule vlog. Basically a condensed vlog, and today we're going to be going to Liverpool to go see Jonathan Pie. For those who don't know who Jonathan Pie is, he's a political comedian, and we're going to be accompanied by Ben, and Ben needs no introduction, he's just Ben. Alright, so we just got off the train, we are in Liverpool.
Incoming history segment, I repeat, incoming history segment. Yep, you heard that right. Welcome to the Teach 3 segment. Did you know the first ever modern railroad was opened in 1830, which took passengers as well as freight from Manchester to Liverpool, the very city we're about to visit? Another thing we should thank the English for. So although Liverpool looks like a dead thing, it's got its historical roots.
Is this Ben?
We managed to make it on time for the showing, but before this, something ridiculous happened. I brought with me 2 gas masks to record the last bits of the vlog, so the security lady at the theatre checked my bag and asked what the hell I was doing with 2 gas masks. I then told her we simply bought it from a museum, and she was perfectly fine with it. And then she continued to ask me like tons of questions about them. I did explain that they were original 1980s gas masks, and she was like, "Oh, I was born in 1980s. I never saw these." Yeah, lady, unless you were brought up in the Soviet Union, you wouldn't have seen these. Anyway, we jumped on a train after the event and headed back home.
Do you know why the lady stopped me at the theatre?
Check the massive bag.
Uh-huh.
Oh Jesus, you got me something. What is it?
Open it.
It's a gas mask! I knew it. I predicted it.
You can survive coronavirus.
Walk into Tesco.
You might need to
This
take
is
your...
what they used to learn. This is like what my parents learned in primary school.
Put your chin in first, and then pull it up over your head. Just a casual day in Liverpool. See what?
I love it.
He loves it. This is a functioning gas mask. It actually works. Do you like his hat?
That's a bloody good hat.
It's a nice hat, isn't it?
It's gorgeous, that.
It suits him as well.
It does. We could all do. We all need one of them.
Kiss.
Ah! Not going to get coronavirus with that on, are you? Your hair's gorgeous. Look at that, Mike. How shiny his hair is.
See, he's got the best hair. Look at his hair.
Alright, you take care of yourself, lads.
And you too.
Till this day, I've never been more scarred by 2 individuals in my life.
Oh my god, my hair, my hair, oh my god. That is really cool though.
Hey Ben, guess what? Do you know that filter?
Yeah.
It's got asbestos in it.
Actually.
Yeah. No, it's safe though.
What's the white powder? Oh my god, it's Soviet.
Yeah.
I've just read the writing on it. I know, I've seen these. I went into the nuclear bunkers in Odessa.
Oh yeah, they probably,
I
yeah.
went to Ukraine,
Yeah, definitely. They
These
must
are
have had
all
loads
over
of,
the
yeah.
world. Where'd you get it?
Don't ask. Ben, don't ask.
Don't ask.
Don't
Ben.
ask.
Oh, well, at least now if I'm ever going to do a heist, I know what to wear.
A British man has been charged with armed robbery with a gas mask.
So here we are on a train from Liverpool at 11 p.m. in the evening. On an empty train. With this geezer. Curse of binding, Ben, it's not coming off.
Get up, come on! Just 2 Russian dudes in gas masks. Nothing to worry about, guys.
Right, guys, I'm on this train, right? And this dude keeps following me. This dude literally just... Hey, sugar. Sugar. Oh no. It's... home sweet home. Anyway, with all that silliness out of the way,
You're vlogging this.
Long live the
You think
tomates.
this is vlog work?